If your Amazon FBA store is generating sales, but your personal credit isn't where it needs to be, you've probably realized something really frustrating. Banks don't care how well your listings convert. They care about your credit score. The real challenge isn't always demand. It's access to capital when your credit profile isn't perfect. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how Amazon FBA sellers with less than perfect credit are able to access funding based mainly on revenue and how to decide if this is the right move before you apply. This isn't hype, it's a financial tool, and it only works if you use it strategically. So let's get started. Here's the reality of running an Amazon FBA. You send thousands into inventory. Amazon holds it, you run ads, you wait for payouts. And those payouts don't happen right away. They come every 2 weeks. Sometimes there are reserve, sometimes there are delays, and sometimes returns adjust your balance. So even when your store is profitable on paper, your cash flow feels really tight. That's why you'll see Amazon sellers doing 30, 50,000, or even 100,000 per month who still feel stuck. Then they do what they're told to do. They go to a bank, and then they hear things like, your credit score doesn't meet our minimum requirements. We don't lend to online businesses. Your business is too new. Even though their Amazon dashboard shows consistent revenue, traditional lenders just aren't built for the speed of an FBA business. This is where revenue-based financing comes in. Instead of focusing mainly on your personal credit score, the lender looks at your company's revenue patterns. How consistent are your deposits? How stable is your cash flow? How does your business bank account behave? With revenue-based financing, you're not taking out a traditional loan with fixed monthly payments. You receive an advance that's based mainly on your business revenue, and you repay it as a small percentage of future sales. When sales are strong, repayments move fast. When sales slow down, your payments scale back. Most revenue-based lenders conduct a soft pull on your credit, but approval is based mainly on your revenue and your cash flow performance. So if your credit isn't perfect, that alone doesn't automatically disqualify you for this. That alone matters for Amazon sellers like you. One company that offers this revenue-based funding model is a company called Revenued. They provide access to capital with what they call a flex line. It functions like a revolving funding line for your business, but qualifying is mainly tied to your revenue, not your personal credit score. So once you get approved, you can access capital through an online dashboard and use it for reordering inventory, scaling ads on profitable SKUs you may have, launching new variations for your business, or even managing cash flow between Amazon payouts. The reason this has become very popular among FBA sellers is because it moves at the speed of e-commerce. It's fast funding. So let's break this down. Instead of traditional interest, revenue-based financing uses what's called a factor rate. That means you know the cost for capital right up front. There's no compound interest, no variable interest rates. They provide a set cost for the money you borrow. For example, if you access $100,000 at a 1.1 factor rate, you're repaying $110,000, period. No compounding interest, no surprise increases. Repayments are automatically drawn down at a small percentage of your weekly sales, so payments move with your revenue. So if you're scaling a SKU that's already profitable, this structure supports your growth. If you're trying to make an unprofitable model work, it won't solve that. And that difference is really important. So if you're weighing this decision right now, it may be worth seeing what you qualify for. Sometimes the best next step is just to understand what's realistically available to you. When funding is looked at mainly through revenue, not just your credit score, the answer can look really different from what a traditional bank would tell you. I've included the revenue-based pre-qualification review link at the top of this description. Now let's talk about whether this is actually a good fit for your business. This works best if you've been operating at least a year, you're generating consistent revenue, typically $20,000 or more a month, your margins are healthy, and you understand your numbers. What matters most isn't having perfect credit. It's consistent revenue. Now, who should not use this funding option? If your account is unstable, if your margins are really thin, if you're trying to plug cash flows from poor inventory decisions, or if you're already struggling to keep up with expenses, remember, revenue-based financing works best for scaling a business, not for saving one. The biggest advantage with this option is speed. If you have a SKU ranking on page 1 and you know it's converting, waiting 3 weeks for a bank to decision just doesn't make sense. With Revenued, approvals can happen fast, and access to capital can happen as little as 1 business day, and you can have your funds deposited within 24 to 48 hours. Another benefit is flexibility. You don't have to draw everything at one time. You access what you need when you need it. With qualification, it's also easier compared to traditional business loans. There's no hard credit pull. It's mainly revenue driven. There's no collateral, which with most traditional banks, they require you to put up collateral to secure that loan or a line of credit. But here's the part that matters. This is not cheap capital. You're paying for speed and flexibility. And if you use it on something that doesn't generate a return on your money, it becomes expensive real quick. So the question isn't, can I get approved? The real question is, does this help me grow profitably? And if this aligns with your situation, the process is pretty straightforward. First, you complete the online application. Second, then you securely connect your business bank account for revenue review. And third, if you're approved, you receive access to your Flex line and can draw whatever you need right away. Many sellers see their funds deposited into their bank account within about 24 hours. Most Amazon FBA businesses don't slow down because demand disappears. They slow down because capital shows up way too late, or not at all when personal credit gets in the way. Revenue-based financing isn't magic and it isn't cheap. But when your revenue is strong and your strategy is clear, it can be a powerful tool even if your personal credit isn't perfect. So if your Amazon store is generating consistent sales and you want to see what you qualify for, you can start with the Revenued Pre-Qualification Review link in the description. It's a soft pull, and even if you don't move forward, you'll understand how lenders see your revenue profile. If this helped, hit like. It helps more Amazon sellers like you find it. Subscribe for more business credit and funding strategies. And next, watch this video where I break down the AI credit optimization software serious business owners are using to increase their credit scores, strengthen their approval profile, and position themselves for higher limits.